To the story now of a prominent St. Catherine High School, which for decades has had to think outside the box to create classroom space for thousands of students. From conducting classes under trees to almost anywhere on the property, administrators are frustrated. Sandy Williams reports.
It's one of the top performing schools in the country, but the infrastructure at St. Jago High tells a different story. The school, with a population of close to 1,700, has more students than classrooms, forcing teachers to improvise.
It's a very painful exercise. I have to assign trees for mathematics-based courses, and that is something that's very difficult for students. You have to get a board to teach these mathematically based subjects, and it's very difficult. We have a section called the cage that persons have to teach in.
Construction is underway at the institution, but for an administrative building. Those functions are now being done in the library and enhancement room.
When they finally decided to repair it, it was much worse than they anticipated, because they thought it could be a quick fix, 6 to 10 weeks, but it was much worse than that. So as a result, we've had to move out of that area so that it can be worked on.
No, I'm not in a storage room. In fact, I'm in the school's auditorium. In previous years, about 7 classes would be held on a daily basis in here. But with the ongoing challenges with the administrative building, those classes have been dislocated, as the auditorium is now being used as a temporary storage area, housing a variety of equipment and furniture, including several trophy cabinets.
We cannot remove the things from the auditorium, right, and all of that. So our 6A rooms are out, the enhancement room, that's another classroom, that's out, the library is out. So we really won't have any choice. We cannot have a full resumption of school for all our students here during any one day. So we will have to, unfortunately, resort to online learning.
So now, 1st, 4th, and 5th form students attend face-to-face classes, while 2nd and 3rd form students will rotate online classes. 6th form students will also be required to attend physical classes.
What happened to St. Jago? Why have we been neglected? We have been working so well. The plain truth is, we're tired of being resourceful.
We're appealing to the government. We need more classrooms.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.